Moving or transferring Amex points to Emirates is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the section of your account related to membership rewards. This may be found under the Rewards or Membership Rewards tab. If you haven't already done so, you will need to link your Emirates Skywards account to your Membership Rewards account. Look for an option to add or link frequent flyer programs and follow the prompts to enter your Emirates Skywards account information. Once your Emirates Skywards account is linked, navigate to the Points Transfer section within Membership Rewards. In the Transfer Partner list, locate Emirates Skywards and select it as a program to which you want to transfer your points. Specify the number of Membership Rewards points you wish to transfer to Emirates Skywards Miles. Make sure to review any transfer ratios or minimum transfer requirements beforehand. After entering the transfer details, review the information to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, confirm the transfer request. The transfer of points from your American Express Membership Rewards account to your Emirates Skyward account may take some time to process. This duration can vary, but typically ranges from a few hours to a few days. Once the transfer is complete, verify that the Emirates Skywards miles have been credited to your account. You should see the transferred miles reflected in your Emirates Skywards balance.